Are you sure that your website is really user-friendly and that it has a good user experience? Making a user-friendly website is the first step to achieve your goals and help your customers easily find the information they are looking for and book your services. Fortunately, neuromarketing helps us to understand what doesn't work on a website and how to fix it. Take a look at the main errors we found on tourist business websites through our neuromarketing analysis and make sure that they aren't there on your website too. Let's start with one of the most common errors, which is about the text. Usually we use long text to describe our firms, our offer, what we do, or speaking about tour operators and travel agencies the tour proposed. We create walls of text that actually users don't read. Instead, organize text into clear and well-defined sections. Replace text with icons and images when possible. Use bold text to highlight the most important keywords and don't forget to use short and simple sentences. Users don't read, especially long and complicated sentences. The second error is having a poor color contrast between a font or any other element in the foreground and its background. For example, light gray on a white background. This makes it difficult to read, in particular for people with visual disabilities, as well for people visiting the website outdoors from a mobile phone, on a sunny day, for example. This can make important elements of the website, such as the menu, the unique value proposition, or a call to action, less visible. Make sure you are using a right color contrast and pay attention not to use text that is too small. The third error concerns the lack of call to actions, for example, contact us, check availability, book now, or if they are present, the fact that they are not very visible or are difficult to find. Call to actions are an essential part of any web pages, since they guide visitors to take specific actions to complete your online business goals, by telling them what they need to do next. Without clear call to actions, users may struggle to see the route to buy a travel or book a room. Be careful to insert appropriate call to actions and make sure to use a brightly colored button with an actionable and short text and to properly place it on the web page. The fourth error is about the menu, the filter list, or the booking bar that are not anchored to the scroll. This compromises the website usability since the user is forced to scroll up the page again to find it. Anchoring the menu or other buttons is very important, in particular if a page contains a lot of content, both for desktop and above all for smartphones. For mobile devices, make sure that the bottom bar menu is anchored in all web pages and that contains the main call to action, like contact us, book now, or check availability. The fifth and final error concerns the no-result pages when searching on the website. No-result pages can be especially frustrating for your users, in particular if they attempt to use different queries to refine their search. In the case of no-result pages in your website, clearly explain what happened. Always start these messages with an apology and, above all, provide alternatives by suggesting similar results or by engaging the users to take further action on your website. What are you waiting for? Check your website for possible errors.